When it comes to British automotive royalty, few names carry the same prestige as Aston Martin, and even fewer models ignite the soul like the ultra-rare Aston Martin DBS 770 Ultimate. Already a legend in its own right, this grand tourer is now turning even more heads thanks to a dazzling set of aftermarket HRE 522 wheels installed by the customization pros over at Wheels Boutique in Miami, Florida. Aston Martin's DBS lineage traces its roots back to 1967 when the first DBS made its debut as a sleek inline-six-powered grand tourer. The DBS returned in 2007 with modern flair, replacing the Vanquish S and bringing a new level of sophistication. The third and most recent generation, known for a time as the DBS Superleggera, launched in 2018 with DB11 underpinnings, but enough bespoke design and power to stand alone as a flagship. Over the years, Aston Martin offered special editions such as the DBS 59, Volante, Superleggera OHMSS, and 007, all culminating in the crowning jewel, the DBS 770 Ultimate. Limited in production and packing a vicious 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12, the DBS 770 Ultimate delivers a staggering 770 PS and remains one of the most powerful front-engined Aston Martins ever built. But the owner of one particular DBS 770 Ultimate Volante in the US thought there was still room for enhancement, and he wasn't wrong. The vehicle in question already sparkled in Aston Martin's Q aluminum finish, complemented by a striking red and carbon fiber interior. It oozed exclusivity. But then came the real game changer, a brand new set of polished HRE 522 wheels, transforming the car from a head-turner into an instant showstopper. These wheels, known for their precision engineering and luxury fitment, perfectly complement the DBS's aggressive yet elegant styling. Wheels Boutique didn't just slap on a new set of wheels, they executed a vision. The HRE 522s not only enhance the vehicle's stance and presence, but give it a timeless OEM Plus look that elevates the DBS without straying from Aston Martin's luxurious DNA. And this isn't just about aesthetics. These lightweight forged wheels subtly improve performance by reducing unsprung mass, contributing to sharper handling and responsiveness, traits the DBS 770 Ultimate already had in spades, but now takes even further. What makes this story even more captivating is that the DBS 770 Ultimate Volante shown here stands as a symbol of where heritage meets modern customization. It's a car that celebrates tradition, both in terms of its hand-built legacy and its V12 power, but dares to enter the future with bold enhancements. As Aston Martin ushers in a new generation with the Vanquish successor, comparisons are inevitable. Some may prefer the factory lines of the newest model, while others are drawn to the aggressive purity and bespoke rarity of a tailored DBS 770 Ultimate. And with a gallery of CGI renders also floating around showcasing multiple wheel options for the upcoming Vanquish, enthusiasts now face a delicious dilemma: modern performance or classic thunder. But one thing is certain, this Aston Martin DBS 770 Ultimate Volante, now riding on its polished HREs, has cemented itself as a rolling masterpiece. Proof that even when perfection seems complete, there's always room to turn it up one more notch.